Hi, David. What you see here is the 3D scan of the Hero1 Robot. We can use this for tutorials and assembly instructions on how to build our Hero1 kits. This is one of the most complicated 3D objects I've scanned so far using my new 3D scanner that I built, that I designed and built, which uses the ceiling fan motor that I talked to you about when I was visiting you. And it's working. I mean, I'm able to get 3D scans of very complicated objects, as you can see. You can see all the components on the boards. You can even read the labels on the boards. There's some patterns and curves that are caused by uneven lighting. So if I had better lighting, I could probably improve this scan. And the other thing is I only used 200 pictures because it took a long time, even with just 200 pictures, to rebuild this. Those blue dots that you see on the screen are the camera positions that I used of the 200 pictures that I used to reconstruct this 3D image. I went around the robot with my 3D scanner and snapped the pictures at regular intervals. So it did a pretty good job. It even got part of the arm, as you can see. Another thing that would improve this is a better lens. I'm only using a 50mm lens, but I really need a wider angle so that it gets the entire object all in one image. And that would improve the quality of the 3D too. You can see the wheels. It reproduced those. It reproduced the charger connector in 3D. So when we're talking about different connectors and everything else on the video instructions for the Hero1 Robot kits, we can point them out. Like this is the charger connector, or this is the board the sensor board that you remove, or whatever. And look at the quality. It started to get the robot arm. The robot arm we'd probably have to scan by itself because it's being blocked. Anything that gets blocked won't get scanned correctly. So that you'd probably have to remove I'd have to remove the 3D, the arm and do a scan of it by itself to get it complete. But it did a pretty good job considering. So, I just wanted to show you what the 3D scanner can do. Here's the I/O board. I'm going to zoom in on that. Look at the quality it got on that. Did a very good job on the I/O board. You can see all the ICs. So if we were talking about replacing an IC or something like that for our instructions, we could even get to that detail. I mean, you can read the labels on the ICs. You can read you can see the capacitors. You can and from a side view, you actually see the depth very well. Like I said, this is an amazing video. I haven't seen anything like this. Unless you use a very high-end $10,000 3D scanner, which uses LiDAR. This was just done with the camera, the Canon camera, and a 50mm lens. Like I said, the lighting causes the roughness, the cloud, the roughness in the texture. So if I had better, more uniform lighting, that would disappear and it would look even smoother. But this is good enough, really, for videos. I can, it shows what we mean. Like this is the power supply board, and it shows it even shows the glass fuses, which is amazing that it got that, because clear plastic is not usually scannable. So it did get the glass a little bit, which is quite amazing. It even shows underneath here, the springs, the motor. I could probably go into more detail scans underneath, like scan with a different angle, with the cameras with a different angle. But just these 200 pictures got all of this. Which is, You can even see inside the robot. Peek inside. So like an inverted view of everything. Here are the ultrasonic rangers and the speakers. The keyboard got messed up because, like I said, I wasn't pointing down. I didn't have any cameras really pointing down. So it messed up the keyboard a bit. But look how it did the stepper drive. This is the stepper controller board right there. It got that pretty good. And it got the standard main motor drive. It's a little bit rough. But it does show the connector names. And this is what you need for the kit. Like that P801. That's this connector, when you remove the board, is one of the things that we need to attach wires to. So I just thought I'd show you this just for your own interest. And here's the sensor board. We're going to replace that with our own sensors. So I'll keep showing you video clips. But this one right here could be used for our tutorials and video instructions. Let me know what you think. Thank you.